Sometimes you can exercise, you can jangkama, you can do anything. But if in your body have poison, so many, it can help you any topic because in your body poisons many, so yours you have not good. Yeah. When you practice, when your kamathana step, and after that good, and then cannot continue.
Yes.
Why? Because your body not good. It means your mind can go, but your body cannot. Because your mind with your body not balance. Yes, not balance. So cannot. You can see by your experience when you practice, when you can stay with nimitta, you can stay 1 hour, has sometimes 2 hours, and after that cannot go. Why? Your mind can go, but your body cannot. Not balance. So after that, when you try. Example the same motorbike. When you try climb in a mountain, you can do. Your mind need go too fast, but your motorcycle, your machine it cannot. It just have sound only, but power no. So your mind the same. If you use motorbike climb on the mountain for long time, your motorbike is danger, very hot. Sometimes cannot you continue. Your body the same. Your mind need to go, but your body cannot. Your body cannot. When your body cannot, and your body problem with your mind. After that you can say, why I cannot? Sometimes you can say, you can say, because your mind with your body not balance. Yes. Because I think so. Okay. This is my experience. This is my experience. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, I will tell Saya.
Yes, you can tell.
Because sometimes I also have problem.
Yes.
Sometimes I eat a little bit and not good.
Yes.
And then I cannot meditate.
Yes.
I have not good. And then I go outside and do kusala, but
yes,
I want to go and meditate, but I cannot.
Yes.
So maybe.
Okay. You can ask Yada, Seda will explain you. สมาธิภิกขเวภาเวทะสมาหิโตภิกขเวภิกขุยะธาภูตังปชานาติมณีภิกขุทั้งหลายเนะทั้งหลายโจชำราญสมาธิภิกขุเนะមានចិត្តតាំងមាំល្អហើយរមែងឃើញនៅសភាវៈធម៌តាមសេចក្តីពិតดูก่อนภิกษุทั้งหลายเธอทั้งหลายจงเจริญสมาธิภิกขุผู้มีใจตั้งมั่นดีแล้วยอมรู้เห็นสภาวะธรรมตามความเป็นจริง
Develop concentration, bhikkhus. Concentrated bhikkhus. A bhikkhu understands according to reality.